These are the elevators at the county office building in downtown Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Look how beautiful these elevator doors are. I don't think those three work anymore. But these are originally Haughton, but then they were modernized by Otis and Signal-Control. This one only, though, has been modernized by Otis again. Now in the basement, burned out light there, and here we go down. Here at the basement, very smooth. Up to 6. And here we go. Over there is a service elevator, but unfortunately it's locked. Probably goes to restricted areas. Here at 6. Slows down early. Back down.
Hey, you just ride around or what?
I'm just checking out the elevators.
You've been good. Good answer. It's really good.
Yeah, those three have been walled off on this floor. Here goes nothing. By the way, they just have basic snap cabs.